The STIHL BR800CE is our most powerful blower ever, producing 41 newtons of blowing force, making it the perfect tool for clearing large areas of leaves and debris. This backpack blower is powered by an 80cc STIHL 4MIX engine, which gives lower emissions and a less intense noise, which improves the overall user experience. What's more, our 4MIX technology is fuel efficient, so it offers class-leading runtime per tank. You can get up to 82 minutes of runtime on one 2-litre tank of fuel. The innovative side start means you can restart the engine quickly and easily during short interruptions, without having to take the blower off your back. Simply pull gently until you feel a compression, then pull the starter cord forward. Another feature is the infinitely variable quick adjustment of the blower tube. This means it can be shortened in no time at all. The STIHL anti-vibration system makes it easy to use too, reducing vibrations on the back and handle. The position of the handle can be adjusted through a quick release fastener so that the tool can be easily adapted to suit whoever is using it at the time. Despite its impressive performance, the BR800CE weighs a comparatively light 11.7 kilograms. The weight is optimally distributed across your shoulders and hips by the ergonomic carrying system too, so it's comfortable to wear. The BR800CE is the ideal tool for clearing large areas. Find out more from your nearest approved STIHL dealer.